Okay, so our next thing that we want to do, because we don't want to have to evaluate every time. Um, we want to actually write a general rule for composition of functions. So again, this situation is, oh, and I might have forgotten to mention in the last video, but this is the same as f composed with g, right? F of g of x means I'm using g as the input for f of x. And I don't have anything to evaluate g of x, so what I'm going to do is just rewrite the entire thing. So I have, the first thing I'll do is write the outer function, which is f of x, right? So I have f of g of x is going to be equal to, well, now I'm going to write f of x, but I'm going to replace all the x's with whatever's in the parentheses here. So I have 7 times g of x, and then I want to add 4 to that, whatever that product is. So now I can go a step further and say, okay, so f of g of x is going to be equal to 7 times, and I want to leave a nice big set of parentheses for myself, because what I need to write in that set of parentheses is the algebraic value of g of x. So instead of writing g of x, I'm going to write something that g of x is equal to, which is 2x minus 12. Right, so since that's equal to g of x, that's okay to do. And then, of course, I want to finish writing the rest of the function, plus 4. And now I'm almost done. The only thing I need to do is go ahead and simplify. So again, I'll write that f of g of x is equal to 7. I have to distribute this 7 into this set of parentheses. So 7 times 2x is going to be, of course, 14x minus 7 times 12, which is, let's see, 70, 84. And then, of course, plus 4. Now I'm, of course, almost done. The thing I have not done is just cleaned up by combining any like terms that I need to. So, again, I'm going to say that f of, whoops, that's a g, f of g of x, or f composed with g, is equal to 14x minus 84 plus 4 is going to be minus 80. And that is how it's done. I'm going to put a little box around my answer, and when you complete your 4 problems, I want the answer to look like this. I want you to write f composed with g equals f of g of x equals, and then the value of the composite function. All right, so try those next 4 problems, and again, you should be able to find the solutions on Blackboard.